fucking shit is this? Oh, be son of a bitch. We got another. I'll be a son of a damn bitch. We fucking trapped. God damn it, Max. You bought a fucking place that's got us fucking trapped. You serious? Watch out, you fucking car. I'm gonna hit this motherfucker. I'm gonna hydroplane across this motherfucker. Move. Move out of the damn way. You in the damn way. I'll be damn shit. I'll be a kiss my damn ass. Look down there.